everyone. I'm here at home and I thought I'd come on here to give you a sneak peek as to our new patio set. It arrived today, this morning, and I unboxed it a little while ago, and I'm actually really impressed with the quality of it. I ordered it from Wayfair, and show you, this is it. I believe it has 7 little pieces, and I mean, they're not organized the way I want them to be organized just yet. I'm still trying to figure it out. I'm still gonna add like a big area rug. This is the other chair that comes with it, that one right there. I mean, you can actually set these up the way you want. I mean, there's no rhyme or reason that you can't do it. We actually have a really good sized patio, and I might even put one piece in our atrium. So I'm not really sure just yet, but yeah, I'm gonna completely redo this whole section. Ever since my husband put up the awnings, which are really nice, it kind of makes it like an outdoor, like a separate living space. I mean, it's still a little warm, but I mean, it's still, it's a nice enclosed space. So I do have lights on the railings. I ordered these from, well, I didn't order them, I bought them from Michael's, and yeah, they go all around the railing. I want to say I got them for maybe $12 on sale. Michael's they always have really good sales. I love shopping at Michael's. So yeah, so let me give you a close-up of the patio set. I mean, you can see that the quality of the cushions, they're actually really good, and they're pretty thick, so they're comfortable, you know. My husband is 6 feet tall, 6'1", 6'2", and he sits very comfortably on them. He sat on them, so I mean, it's a go. So yeah, these right here, that's the table right there, and I think I'm just gonna make a large glass for it. I'm gonna have it made so I can just put it on the top, and just make sure that I put like little rubber non-slip little things on the corners so that it doesn't slip off. But yeah, I mean, this is a great little set, and like I said, the quality is really good. I'm very impressed, considering that I didn't see it before I purchased it. So I was a little hesitant, but I just, you know, I did it, and I'm glad I did. So I will definitely be giving it a really good review. And I don't think that they'll get really damaged, because they're not going to be really exposed to the sun, because we typically always have our awnings all the way down. So I mean, the sun won't be, you know, blasting on our patio all day. So, and two, it rained crazy the other night, or the other day, and because of the awnings, we didn't get rain inside our patio, which was really nice. I'm really happy that my husband decided to bite the bullet and pay for the awnings, because they were really expensive, but definitely worth it. I can leave the information down below as to who did our awnings if you guys are interested in doing something like that. But yeah, so we're still in the middle of redoing our home. I mean, we've done a lot in the inside, but now we're kind of working on the outside. And I'm not even going to show you, let me turn the camera around. I'm not even going to show you our backyard because it looks awful right now. But I mean, we're working on it, you know, baby steps, but I'm really excited about our patio. So right now I'm just gonna leave you with a vlog that I worked on yesterday. I went to the mall, and I went to Abercrombie and Fitch and American Eagle, and I made some purchases, some really good deals. So I'm gonna leave you with that. So enjoy. Bye. Back to my channel, and today I'm gonna do a really quick haul on some stuff that I bought at the mall. I stopped by Abercrombie and Fitch and American Eagle, so if you guys are interested, keep watching. I'm actually gonna do some, I'm gonna show you guys some of the stuff that I bought at these 2 retailers, and then I'm gonna do one unboxing I just received from Revolve clothing. So I'm gonna open that with you guys, but that'll be at the end of my haul. So I stopped by the mall yesterday, and I actually went to Sephora to buy some stuff that I needed, but I hopped on over to American Eagle first, and I always go towards the back because that's typically where they have all their sale stuff. So I kind of scanned, you know, I just kind of went through the racks and I didn't really see that, I didn't see anything that I really liked. But up against the wall, you know, some of you that know me, I am obsessed with anything distressed, like shorts and jeans. And up against the wall, they had a dark denim and a light wash. They were like little Bermuda shorts. And these were not on sale, unfortunately, but I ended up buying these cute Bermuda shorts. And they're so cute and they're very comfortable. The material's a little bit, it's a little thin, but I mean, I just kind of feel that if I wash them too much, this will start to really fall apart. But I try to use my jeans or any jeans at least twice before I throw them in the wash, and I don't always throw them in the dryer. I always hang them. I hang them to dry. So yeah, so I bought these. I ended up buying a size 4, and I think they have a little bit of a stretch in it. I'm not sure if it has elastin in it, but I don't know, but they do have a little bit of stretch. At first, when you use any jeans, typically they're a little bit snug, but as you wear them, they start to loosen up a little bit. So, I mean, I think they'll get a little looser, but it's okay because I kind of like wearing distressed shorts, Bermuda shorts, kind of loose, not tight. And these actually fall right above the knee. They're not at the knee, they're just a little bit above. But yeah, so I got these, and these were $39.99, and they did have a darker denim, but I don't know, I just like the lighter wash. I did try them on. They didn't look bad, but I ended up going with these. So I'm really happy with this purchase. So that was one of the items that I bought. And I'm actually wearing the other one that was sitting right on top of the Bermuda shorts. These little tanks are super comfortable. They're ribbed, and they're kind of thin. They're not really thick, so they're super cozy, and they have a little bit of a stretch. But typically when I buy like tanks like this, I never do a small. I always do a medium. First of all, because if they're 100% cotton, they're gonna shrink in the dryer. So I always go a size bigger. And 2, I don't like anything to feel really snug around the belly, especially after you eat. So I got these, and I think that each one is $19.95, but if you buy 2, I think it's buy 1, get the other one half off. So that's the promotion that they have going right now. Let me stand up so you can see. So, I mean, and they're kind of long, they're not, and these are kind of low, my jeans. So yeah, so these fit really. Let me fix my necklace here, I'm all over the map. So yeah, so this is one of the ones that I bought, and this color is an olive color. I think they had olive, I think a white one, and I think they had a cream and kind of a pink one. And because they were that promotion, that had that promotion going, buy 1 get 1 50% off, I ended up buying the charcoal one, which is really cute too. It's kind of cinched a little bit right up at the front, so it gives you really pretty cleavage. I love it, and they're super comfy. So these were 2 of the items that I bought at American Eagle. This, the shorts, and this little tanky. And so then I hopped on over to Abercrombie, and I always go towards the back because, like I said, that's where they have all the sales. I kind of start at the back and then I work my way up to the front. And I was kind of going through all the racks, and they have loads of stuff on sale. And I had seen one of these blouses a while back, and I didn't buy it, but I'm glad they had my size when I went back. So I ended up buying this really cute yellow top that has like a bunch of little dots. I don't know if you can see, if the camera is gonna focus on that. Let me see. There you go. So it has these little dots, and it also has these really cute ties. So you can't undo them because they're actually sewed right here. So you kind of have to like just do your little bow. And it has the illusion of it being kind of open, but there's like actually a little layer right here, so you're not exposing any skin. So it's really, really cute. So yeah, I ended up buying a size small in this one, and it also has a little bit of an elastic in the back, so that way you can kind of, there you go, is it focusing? Yeah, it has a little bit of an elastic to kind of give you a little bit of room. But yeah, so this is really cute, and it has this little ruffle down at the bottom, and it's not cropped. So if you guys are used to wearing like mid-rise jeans or low-waisted jeans, it's safe to say that you won't be exposing any skin with this blouse. So I think they had a few left. If not, you can always try online. So yeah, so this is from Abercrombie. And then I am so obsessed with slip dresses. I don't think that a girl can have enough in her wardrobe. I mean, most of my slip dresses are black. I might have a few in different colors, but for the most part, they're black. I mean, you know, they go with everything. So I especially love to wear my slip dresses in winter with like a little leather jacket and like booties, which is really cute. But I saw this really cute slip dress in the sale rack, and it's kind of A-lined, but it's really, really pretty. It fits really pretty on. It has this really pretty lace up at the front with 3 little buttons, and it also has adjustable straps, so you can kind of adjust the straps as you need to. So I actually tried the extra small and the small. Now the extra small fit me perfect from like the waist down, but up at the top it was just a little too tight, a little too constricted. I mean, I think I could have gotten away with it, but I want to be comfortable in my dress, so I don't want to worry that my boobs look like they're just kind of in there, you know, like kind of squashed. So I ended up buying the size small. So I mean, it fits perfect. It just looks a little bit more loose on the bottom part, but I mean, it doesn't look bad. I can probably get it altered, but I don't want to. It'll probably cost me more to alter the dress than what I paid for. I think I paid $24.99 for the dress, and then the blouse I believe was I'm not 100% sure. I want to say it was like $19.95. I'll leave the information down below just to make sure, because I don't have my receipt with me. So yeah, so this is the other little item that I bought, and it's so pretty and soft. It is lined. Let me show you. The lining is in the inside. It's right here. So it's not see-through. Even if it didn't have this lining, the material is heavy enough that you're not going to see through it. But yeah, so it has this little bit of lining, and it's super cute. I'll probably wear this with like some leopard strappy sandals. I love throwing things off with leopard sandals. I'm sure a lot of you have leopard sandals at home, so break them out and just kind of throw things off. But then again, I like to wear leopard with polka dots, so you know, wearing leopard with floral is not a big deal to me. And if you like it, wear it. It's your personal style. So the last thing that I'm gonna do is I just got a package from Revolve clothing, and I haven't opened it. They just dropped it off, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it for you guys. So I'm excited. It's a little skirt that I ordered that had been eyeing on Revolve clothing. It was on sale. I just never ordered it, but when I went back to check to see if they had it, they did, and I ordered it. So, oh my god, they really, try to get this open, you guys. Here we go. I try not to like rip it all apart, because in case I have to send it back, it's not like all messed up. So, ooh, this is cute. So we're leaving to Vegas on Friday, finally. I feel like I've been leaving to Vegas forever. What sucks is that we're leaving on Friday the 13th. Ugh. But anyway. So, this is so cute. I thought it looks more lavender. Online it looks more pink. But, it's okay. Oh, this is so cute. How adorable is this skirt, y'all? Oh my gosh. It looks like, see if the camera will focus a little bit. Look at that. How adorable is this skirt? It is so cute. So I'm gonna try it on for you guys, but I'm just gonna try it on with this tank. It's not gonna match, but I'm gonna try it on, so give me a second. Okay guys, so this is the skirt. It fits so pretty. Oh my gosh. How adorable. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. Maybe not. There we go. How adorable is this skirt, y'all? It's so pretty. The color is everything. So yeah, this is the skirt. I don't know. Oh my god, I think I'm gonna take this to Vegas. The color, even with just wearing with a little cute tank like this and some strappy sandals, would look really good. So yeah, this is really pretty. I'm really happy with it. The length is perfect. It's a little high-waisted, so you can see where it's, you can actually wear like something a little cropped. Age appropriate, of course. You don't want to show too much banza. Well, at least not at my age. But yeah, so this is the skirt that I ordered from Revolve Clothing. It's pretty, I love it. The color is nice. It has a little bit of that stretch. Okay guys, so that is it. That is my haul for the week. So next week, well, on Friday we're leaving to Vegas, and I'm gonna do a little bit of shopping out there. I'm on a budget, so I will take you along with me, and hopefully I'll have everything uploaded next week and share my experience in Vegas. So yeah, I'm excited, and thanks for watching and stopping by. Give me a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys later. Bye.
Together.